the word ask. To request information, ask for, ask about, ask questions. She asked for directions to the nearest station. I want to ask about the schedule for next week's meeting. He kept asking questions to clarify the details of the project, to make a request or demand, ask someone to, ask permission, ask for help. I will ask him to review the proposal before submission. You need to ask permission before using the office supplies. She didn't hesitate to ask for help when she needed it. To inquire or seek an answer, ask if, ask whether, ask how. Can you ask if the meeting has been rescheduled? I wanted to ask whether it's possible to extend the deadline. He asked how the system could be improved. To invite or offer, ask someone out, ask for a favor, ask to join. He asked her out for dinner on Friday night. Would you mind if I asked for a favor? They asked to join us for the event, to request or offer a price. Ask for a price, ask a fee, ask a value. The vendor asked for a price higher than expected. We will ask a fee for access to the exclusive content. How much did they ask as a value for the house? To make an offer or proposal. Ask someone to join, ask for consideration, ask for approval. He asked her to join the new project team. We should ask for consideration of the proposal at the meeting. They asked for approval before proceeding with the contract.